The world is becoming colder. People are losing empathy, losing patience, losing connection, losing themselves. Everyone is distracted, overstimulated, numb, constant noise, but empty souls. And behind closed doors, millions are silently battling depression, loneliness, addiction, anxiety, and hopelessness, while pretending everything is fine. This world is starving for real love, real truth, real compassion. Maybe the strongest thing you can do today is stay kind in a world teaching people to become cruel. Stay human, stay awake, stay close to God. Because darkness spreads fast when good people stop caring. RestoredLifeAfter.com